Today I'm going to make the pretty pink champagne cake for you. The creator states that this cake is fantastic for a celebration, and Cameraman Steve and I have just passed our 10th wedding anniversary, so this cake's going to be perfect for that. So let's make it! These are our ingredients. First of all, we need to beat 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Soften to room temperature. Two cups of sugar, 2/3 cups of cooking oil. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We mix together 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix that really well. We alternate the flour and the buttermilk. Mix. We are using the Grant Berg Rosé.
Get that off. It's probably just the cork you want to see come off, eh?
That's what I said. That's it. Alright, go in there.
Ready?
Right, Cameraman Steve, pop the champagne bottle. Then goes the pink champagne. Wow. Cool. And the rest of the flour, mix it. The pink food colouring. Ooh. Separating the egg whites from the yolks, and oopsie, we'll need to get another one. adding the egg whites to the cake mixture to make it light and fluffy. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Dividing the cake mixture evenly to make 3 cakes. Into the oven they go. Baking for about 26 minutes. Cakes are ready. To make the pink champagne frosting, we need to reduce 2 1/4 cups of pink champagne into about 6 tablespoons. Now to mix 1 1/2 cups of salted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 6 cups of powdered sugar with the reduced pink champagne as per the recipe. You will find the name of the creator at the end of the video in the credits. Would you make this cake? We would love to know. Apologies, after my hand mixer broke, cameraman Steve also had to leave for a job. The camera was not filming correctly, so I will just show you the end result. Cheers! So cameraman Steve has returned for cake. Here you go, cameraman Steve.
Cheers.
So I'm taste testing the pink champagne cake. You can certainly taste the subtle hints of the champagne, and it's definitely a celebration cake. So if you're celebrating anything, well done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This is delicious. All right, time for the make, taste, rate verdict. I score the pink champagne cake a 7.5 out of 10. Cameraman Steve scores this cake a 5 out of 10. He said it's not his cup of tea, or in this case, a glass of champers. If you're celebrating a victory or love champagne, this cake is worth it.